Welcome to this video on Salesforce. We will explore this leading customer relationship management platform and its benefits. Our video will cover an introduction to Salesforce, why you should choose it, its history, key features, and associated job roles. We will also discuss its future, benefits, and a conclusion. Salesforce is a world-leading customer relationship management platform. It unifies customer interactions, sales processes, marketing, and support in a cloud-based system, accessible anywhere via the internet. Salesforce is one of the most popular CRM platforms globally. Choosing it is a smart decision for professionals aiming for a successful career in the cloud and CRM industry. Salesforce is a powerful, flexible, cloud-based platform for managing customer relationships. Its strong CRM capability stores customer data, tracks interactions, and improves communication, boosting satisfaction and business growth. We offer career roles in administration, development, and business analysis. Each role focuses on specific areas like user management, Apex programming, or requirement gathering. A Salesforce career provides high demand, attractive salaries, and multiple career paths, including technical, functional, and managerial roles. This offers great flexibility for career growth. Our services include integration, consulting, and development. We integrate Salesforce with third-party systems and provide expert consulting and development of scalable applications. In conclusion, a career in Salesforce is a smart and rewarding choice. It offers excellent opportunities, high demand, competitive salaries, and job security in today's digital world. Thank you for watching this video. You can reach out to us using the provided contact information.